welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn and today we're going to be doing a room decoration haul. Woo, 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 woo. We have just been collecting things, a bunch of cute things that match my room theme. And my room is actually almost ready and I can't wait to put the final piece together. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got. So first off, we have this super cute bear pillow. I love it a lot. I really like this bear and I love the flower clown. Got this at Target. We have these Walmart. These are from Walmart and they're so pretty. We are going to make like a flower wall and I can't wait to make it because it's going to look so pretty on a wall and I just love it. Now we have this super cute light box and it is in mint green and I always went to the light box. I'm so excited we could find this. We got this at Homegoods. They had a bunch of varieties. They had the regular emoji, but I really like this one. So cute. And now we have these cute little holders, also from Homegoods. These are really cute, and the inside is like gold, but the pink matches the color scheme perfectly. And at first I thought it was just one individual, but then when I picked it up, it was all together. Here we have some really cute string lights. We got these from Marshalls, and they're so pretty. Look at that. I love these so much. I already know where I'm going to place them, but you'll see that in the room tour. Next we have these super cute plants from TJ MAXX. I really love these and so cool. It has like fur or something on it, but I don't know what it is, but it's super cute and just regular plants, but I love them. It's like coming off of them when you shake it. And then we have these super cute buckets. Like these are adorable. These are also from TJ MAXX. I love how they're two colors because these two colors match the color scheme. We're so lucky to find these. So the last thing from TJ MAXX is this super cute crate metal. And I love it so much. I know my favorite color is not pink, but I just love the light pink. It's so pretty. We have this super cute container from Marshalls, and I love how it says Girl Power on the front with the roses, and it's just really pretty. This is definitely going to go on my desk. So we have this super cute container too. Look at the shimmer and the hollow on that. Hollow all the time. This is also from Marshalls, and it's going to also go on my desk. And this is another container from Marshalls, and I really like this because of the cute eyelashes. Who doesn't love these super cute eyelashes? Now we have these super cute frames from Hobby Lobby. I love this cactus one so much. It has a really cool texture on it too. And I love how the pop the color and it's not just all plain green. Next thing from Hobby Lobby is another frame. This says Babe Cave. Whoa, this is big. This also from Hobby Lobby, and it just says, make today amazing. I love it so much. I love the pastel. It's just so pretty. Next we have this super cute cover from Target, and it's pastel pink again. You guys probably think I'm crazy, but it's all gonna work out in the end. Trust me. This is... Okay, let's go. Now we have this rug, also pink. It's just, I love it. It's like salmon kind of. It's gonna go perfectly in my room with the new wood floor. It's just so soft too. And it was only $20 from Walmart. What a steal! Steal! We got a steal! Hunty girl! Hello. Is he done? I think he is. Okay. So last but definitely not least, we have my circle shelf. I love this so much. This was from Target, and I love it. It's gonna match perfectly. It's gonna go on my wall. I already know. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. Okay, guys, so that is it for my room stuff. We're gonna get some more when it's closer to being finished. It actually is really close, but we're gonna get some more stuff soon. I'm so sorry about the hammering. My dad is working on my room currently while we're filming this, but I'm so thankful that he's doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Love you! Bye.